Welcome back to my channel. Google Ads in the USA. A comprehensive overview. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is one of the most prominent online advertising platforms in the world. Since its launch in 2000, it has revolutionized the way businesses promote themselves in the digital landscape. In the United States, Google Ads plays a crucial role in the marketing strategies of countless organizations, from small businesses to multinational corporations. This article provides a detailed overview of Google Ads, focusing on its structure, benefits, strategies, and impact on the US market. Understanding Google Ads. Google Ads is a pay-per-click PPC advertising platform that enables businesses to create targeted advertisements. These ads appear across Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, partner websites, YouTube, and other Google-owned properties. The platform operates on a bidding system where advertisers compete for ad placements based on keywords, audience targeting, and relevance. Key features of Google Ads. 1. Types of campaigns. Google Ads offers several types of campaigns tailored to specific goals. Search campaigns, text-based ads that appear on Google SERPs, triggered by relevant keywords. Display campaigns, visual ads shown on Google's display network, comprising millions of websites and apps. Video campaigns, video ads often displayed on YouTube, designed to capture attention quickly. Shopping campaigns, product-based ads, showcasing items for sale, often displayed prominently in Google Shopping. App campaigns, ads that drive app installations or in-app actions. 2. Targeting options. Google Ads provides highly customizable targeting options to reach the right audience. Demographics, target based on age, gender, income level, and more. Geographic location, focus on specific regions, states, or cities in the USA. Keywords, bid on keywords that align with user search intent. Behavioral data, leverage user behavior, interests, and past activity. 3. Ad extensions. Ad extensions enhance ads with additional information such as call buttons, location details, site links, pricing details. 4. Performance tracking and reporting. Google Ads offers robust analytics tools like conversion tracking, click-through rate CTR analysis, return on ad spend ROEs reporting. These tools help advertisers optimize campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Benefits of Google Ads for businesses in the USA. 1. Vast reach. Google dominates the US search engine market, with a share exceeding 90%. This ensures unparalleled access to a vast audience base. 2. Cost-effective marketing. The PPC model allows advertisers to control costs, as they only pay when users engage with their ads. This is particularly advantageous for small businesses with limited budgets. 3. Precision targeting. Businesses can reach niche audiences through advanced targeting options, ensuring higher relevance and better conversion rates. 4. Scalability. Whether you're a local business or a national brand, Google Ads can scale campaigns to fit any scope, making it ideal for diverse US markets. 5. Real-time adjustments. Advertisers can monitor performance in real time and adjust bids, keywords, or creative elements to improve results immediately. 6. Multi-channel integration. Google Ads integrates seamlessly with platforms like YouTube, Gmail, and Google Maps, creating diverse advertising opportunities. Effective Google Ads strategies for US businesses. 1. Keyword research. Successful campaigns begin with comprehensive keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner help identify high-value keywords with strong search intent. 2. Local advertising. For small businesses, targeting local audiences through geo-targeted ads and location-based keywords is crucial. For example, Best Coffee Shop in Chicago can help drive foot traffic to a CAF. 3. A or B testing. Running multiple versions of ads to test different headlines, descriptions, or visuals ensures continuous improvement in performance. 4. Responsive search ads RSAs. RSAs dynamically adjust ad copy based on user queries, making ads more relevant and increasing click-through rates. 5. Budget management. Setting daily budgets and leveraging bid strategies like cost per click CPC or target ROIs ensures efficient spending. 6. Remarketing. Remarketing campaigns re-engage users who have interacted with your website or app but haven't converted, boosting chances of a sale. 7. Mobile optimization. With over 63% of US web traffic coming from mobile devices, ensuring ads are mobile-friendly is critical for success. 8. Aligning with US trends. Seasonal and cultural events like Black Friday, Independence Day, or back-to-school season provide excellent opportunities for US advertisers to tailor campaigns. Impact of Google Ads on the US market. 1. Digital transformation. Google Ads has been a driving force behind the digital transformation of American businesses, encouraging even traditional companies to adopt online advertising. 2. Empowering small businesses. With affordable options and flexible budgets, small businesses in the US can compete with larger enterprises for visibility. Future of Google Ads in the USA. Google Ads continues to evolve with advancements in technology. Features like AI-powered bidding, predictive analytics, and integration with emerging platforms like Google Lens will shape its future. Conclusion. Google Ads has fundamentally transformed the advertising landscape in the United States. Its ability to deliver precise, measurable, and scalable marketing solutions makes it an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. By staying informed about its features, trends, and best practices, advertisers can maximize their return on investment and continue to thrive in an increasingly competitive digital marketplace. Thanks for watching.